Hi, in the name of God, in this lesson we will learn how to subtract numbers from each others. First of all, we some description about subtraction. The word subtraction literally means taking away. In mathematics, subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two quantities of the same kind. In subtraction, the first number is called the minuend. The second number is called the subtrahend, and the result we get is called the difference. When subtracting, remember these three important points. Number one, write the large number first and write the smaller numbers below it so that the digits of the same place value are aligned. Number two, subtract the digits from right to left, starting with the units. Number three, if a digit in the subtrahend is larger than the corresponding digits, minuend borrow one from the next higher place value in the minuend and write it as a borrow. Let's start it. Let's subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Number 2. 84 subtract 5. 5. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 4. 8 minus 0 or minus nothing is 8. Next example. 65 subtract 9. We can 9 subtract from 5. We borrow 1 from 6, but not place with 5. Right the left side. This is become 15 and this is become 5. 15 minus 9 is 6. 5 minus 0 or minus nothing is 5. Next example. 65 subtract 23. 5 minus 5 minus 3 2. 6 minus 2 4. Final answer 42. uh, Next example. 73 subtract 54. 73 subtract 54. We can subtract 4 from 3. So we borrow 1 from 7. It is become 13 and it is become 6. 13 minus 4 9. Minus 16 minus 5 4. Next example. 365 subtract 86. We can subtract 6 from 5. So we borrow 1 from 6. It is become 15. 15 subtract 6 9 and it is become 5. we can subtract 8 from 5, and we so we want borrow from 3. It is become 15. 15 subtract 8, 17. It is become 2. 2 subtract nothing or subtract 0, 2. Next example, 987 subtract 659. We can subtract 9 from 5. So we borrow from 8. 8 is become 7, and 8 is become 7. 8 is become 17. It is become 7. 17 minus 9, 8. From 7. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Finally answer 328.